Hi there. I hope your day is going well. I just wanted to shoot this video real quick and talk to you about servicing your furnace. And the reason I bring this up is because in this situation, I'm helping my friend service his furnace. Actually, I just got done servicing it for him. And the reason I'm here today is because when this unit was serviced just a few, actually it was about a year and a half ago, whoever they used basically took a look at it, charged the service fee, and said works well. Well, I found about 4 things that were wrong with it. The primary thing that was causing my friend not to have heat was a plugged pressure port. This is an item that gets checked annually during our routine maintenance, and every company should include that, and I know there are some that do and some that don't. So my purpose for this video is just to let you know that as a homeowner, you might not know all there is that goes into maintaining a furnace, and when you hire a professional, you might not know what to expect, might not know what to ask, might not know what to look for on their paperwork. So I just want you to sort of look for a detailed report, ask more questions, even if you may think they are not good questions. Just ask whatever is on your mind. Try to get a sense of how reliable is this service. Is it going to prevent future problems? Because this problem should have been prevented, and this work, cost them, over $200 just to get this problem solved. And there are 3 other things that that have to still be done. One of them, the capacitor is on its way out, and that was not noted. The igniter is on its way out, and the combustion blower assembly is barely turning, so that's on its way out. So I got this cleaned up as much as I could, and I got it fully serviced and in tip-top shape, as much as you could ask for a 10-year-old unit. But I just want you to know that the same thing can happen to you, and you may not know whether the service that was done on your furnace is a thorough service and all components have been tested and checked out. So if you have any questions, or you want some more clues on what kind of questions to ask and what to look for in your invoices, or in the work order, or whatever printout that you might get, or something that gets emailed to you, you should have information that indicates whether your furnace is in good condition or not, and specifically why it is in good condition or why it's not in good condition. Because any one of us technicians can make a statement like, oh, this is bad, you have to replace it, or maybe we'll say something like, oh, it's working fine. Okay, well, what does it's working fine mean? So there has to be some technical proof to prove that statement. Anyway, I hope this was informational and helpful to you, and if you have more questions about what to do with your furnace and things like that, I'd be more than happy to answer those. As a main rule of thumb, you should have your system inspected once a year, and hopefully that inspection is going to be done thoroughly, and it should prevent any no heat emergencies like this one. So hopefully you don't have this problem, but if you do, call us 24/7 and we are here to help you out. Thank you.